Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the video session of Cantab Publisher. Today we will be going to start the chapter number 1 of English grade 4. So students, you should have in your hands the English textbook 4 of Cambridge Scholar series along with the summer pack of class 4. In addition to that, we have uploaded the resource packs for English 4 on our website for the guidance of principals and teachers, in which there is a detailed information that how you could be able to teach our textbooks. Welcome students to the chapter number 1st of class 4. We have divided the chapter number 1st into 4 lectures, and here is the plan of study for you people. So today we will be going to conduct the lecture number 1st, that is on grammar portion, and the topic is the order of adjectives. So you have previously studied what are basically adjectives. So we have a repetition here, and you should have in your minds, please brainstorm your minds, what are adjectives? So they are basically the words that explain what? The quality of a noun. So what are nouns? Yes, the names of what? The names of persons, places and things. But when it is aided by some quality words, and that is called adjectives. So as we are going to discuss the order of adjectives, so here is a basic information and definition of adjective. There can be more than one qualities related to a noun in one sentence, but adjective order refers to the order in which adjectives are arranged in a sentence for a noun. So if you have a sentence, it may contain different adjectives. So basically the order tells you that these words should be arranged in which order. So here we are going to the order of that adjectives. Adjectives are written in the order given below. So here is the list of the order, that at what place what should be mentioned. So the correct order is number first, opinion, then size, then age, and then shape, color, origin, sound and taste. So whenever you have adjectives in any sentence, the order should be followed in this manner. If you have two words, the one is of shape, the second one is of origin. So in a sentence, shape will be at number first position and origin will be number second. So what is the correct order? Here is a shorter form, that is O S A S C O S T. What does it stand? OSS, cost. O for what? O for opinion, S for size, A for age, S for shape, C for color, O for origin, S for sound and T for taste. So this is basically the order of adjective. So here are some of the examples we have to study. But before going to study examples, I am going to give you the set of adjectives. So in opinion, what should be here? You have to give an opinion regarding a noun. For example, that is easy, boring, expensive, cheap, interesting. So it adds some quality to the noun, but these all adjectives are of what? Opinion. They are giving us an opinion regarding a noun. For example, there is size mentioned in a sentence. So what does it gives us? It gives us the idea that it should be big, it can be small, it can be tall, it can be high, it can be short. In that case, if the age is concerned here, that is old, historic, modern, young, ancient. In terms of the shape, that is egg shape, oval shape, round shape, rectangular shape, square shape, triangular shape. In terms of the color, that one is blue in color, that one is red in color, that is green in color, that is orange in color, and that one is black in color. For example, my shoes are black. So black is what? An adjective. So whenever you have number of adjectives in a sentence, for example, I have a round blue table. What? That is, I have a round blue table. So round is what? Round is shape, and blue is what? Blue is color. So this is the correct order of sentence, that in this sentence round is mentioned before blue. But if I am going to write it in alternate sentence, that is, I have a blue round table. Now this sentence is wrong because I have disturbed the order of adjective. In this manner, in terms of the origin, Asian, Pakistani, Chinese, Australian, African, these are the adjectives of origin. The adjectives of sound are, the sound is loud, quiet, nice, pleasant, faint. And in terms of the taste, sweet, bitter, salty, sour, and tangy. Now let's have the check of these adjectives in the sentence. The first example is, I love that old green car that is always parked at the end of the street. Now here, what are adjectives? Old and green. The adjectives are old, green. Let's have a check. Old is what? Old is the adjective of age, and green is the adjective of color. So it does not disturbing the order of what? The order of adjective. So the sentence is right and it is mentioned accordingly. The next sentence is, my sister bought a beautiful white doll. Here, beautiful and white are what? Adjectives. Now beautiful is what? शाबाश. बताएं शाबाश. Beautiful क्या है? कौन सा adjective है? You have to answer. You have to answer. Beautiful, white. Now white is what? Color. So beautiful must be in the previous adjectives. Beautiful कहाँ आएगा? Yes, beautiful कहाँ आएगा? Beautiful is in opinion, because what? Beautiful is basically an opinion. So here the order is followed, that is, this is the objective of opinion and this is the objective of color. So the next example, the house is large and white. Here large and white are what? Adjectives. So large is the adjective of what? Of size, and white is of color. So you are clearly seeing that the order is followed. If I am going to change the order, the house is white and large, it will be a wrong sentence. The next one is, I like that black antique stone in the museum. I like that black and antique are what? They both are adjectives. Now, black is the adjective of what? Of color. And antique is the adjective of age. So this statement is wrong. So what would be the correct answer? That what? I like antique black stone in the museum. Here the order is followed correctly. Antique is what? The adjective of age. Antique is the adjective of age and black is the adjective of color. So this is the correct adjective order. Now the last example is, I bought a pair of new red rain boots. Here it is new red rain boots. Now the adjectives, new is of what? Of age, and red is of color. So here the order is followed correctly. Now students, you have the homework from your summer pack. Here the first question is, you have to choose the correct option and write a few lines about it. So what is the first MCQ? Which one of the following is an adjective? Country, fan, fair and back. So this is basically your homework. You have to mark the correct option from all of the four and you have to write it down that why you chosen this option and from which SLO has the MCQ been taken. In the same way, the second one is, find adjective of size in the following sentence. He is very tall. Was tall, he very. This is very easy as you have practiced previously. Again, the third one is, you have to find the pair of adjectives from the following: people, health, youth and age, good, young, name, book. Very easy. And here is an activity, a beautiful activity. You have to see your bedroom and find some suitable adjectives of size, age, color, shape and opinion. The fourth one is, you have to correct use of adjective in the following sentences. So you have to use it. He is a man old. He is an old man. He and is man old and man old he is. This is very easy. Thank you so much for today. Allah Hafiz.